Yo, what's up, guys? Oh man, today's the day I decided to just come outside and enjoy nature, you know. And I wanted you guys to kind of walk with me on this, and we can just talk about whatever it is we want to talk about while we're walking through this park here. You know, the scenery's dope. Take a look at the scenery, man. It's just snow and trails. And once in a while, I like to come out and do this type of walking because it gives me the opportunity to reflect, you know, enjoy this time for myself and kind of like take heed to what I've done, where I'm going. I told you guys this before. It's always important, it's always cool to take time alone for yourself. Now, I'm not a hiker or anything like that. You know, I've taken these nature walks several times, and I started doing it about 7 years ago. And I found that it clears my head as well as gives me the opportunity to get exercise in, get the blood flowing, you know, get the juices going. And whatever I want to think about on these trails, I think about it. I talk out loud sometimes. The trees are listening, the heavens are listening. It's just me right now. I'm my best friend right now. and I like it. I enjoy it. Look. This is beautiful scenery, man. There's actually a part in this trail that I like and I go to a couple of times. And I want to share this part with you. This is where I sit and relax and I meditate. You know? One thing these walks through nature teaches me that every person, every man and woman, they have their own cross to carry, their own burdens to carry, you know? You don't know a man until you walk a mile in his shoes, you know? That sort of thing. You can't judge a man or a woman or a person until you walk in their shoes. So on trails like this and times like this, I can speak out loud freely, man. You know? Get rid of all the transgressions, if you have any. All your past mishaps. You know, get rid of all the negative thoughts, bad energies. Put it out there. Let the universe take care of it. Let the Creator take care of it. Nothing for you to worry about. Feel free about it, you know? This trail's going a little downhill now, which I like. It's cool. It's a beautiful trail, man. The opportunity just to chill and think about what you want to do. It just so happened that I guess yesterday was the solstice. I guess it's the turn in the season or something like that, where the days start to get longer. I don't know. I never knew what it meant. I just know that it's a turning point. And here I am out here with you guys, accompanying me on this, beautiful journey. We're on a journey, man. Like, listen, with all the stuff that's going on right now, life was just too short. That sounds real cliche, but Jesus. It's a fact, man. Stop for a second and just smell the air. Smell the beauty. And give thanks, man. This is like, and this is no hyperbolation here, man. This is like truth. You gotta try it. If you haven't tried it, man, listen, you have best friends, right? Most people don't even consider themselves their best friend. Meanwhile, you're the only one who knows you. You're the only one who knows what you like. Really like. You're the only one who knows how you feel. Really feel. No one else knows. You're the one. That godly spirit in you knows. And we don't take time out to enjoy little moments like this. That's incredible, man. And the other thing is, really, if you really put things into perspective, how often do you really have time to do something like that? You don't. You have to make the time if you really care about yourself. I'm going back uphill now. I want you guys to enjoy it. Oh, by the way, if you hang out with me throughout this whole journey here, I'm going to have a surprise for you. I'm going to have a place where you can actually go. Well, where I usually go. I'm crossing the road now. It's getting dark. What was I talking about? Oh, yeah. The solstice. I never really knew what it was, but I knew it was a time for change. That's where kind of like the hours change, or the world tilts, or you can feel different vibrations going on if you're really in tune. And it's difficult to be in tune, Yeah, man. I'm smiling because I'm happy. This is like I got today. As usual, I gave thanks. Oh, I passed my spot. Hold on. You guys got me talking and having a grand old time. By the way, this is a place where, oh man, I guess no one came through this spot, where my sons took me through. And no one knows about this. Well, very few people know about it. And people that live in the area probably don't even know about it. But if you guys keep walking with me, you're going to know about it. And you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. Whoa, take it easy there, pal. You got to take a look at where you're going. Yeah, I'll show you guys the terrain that I'm on. You know. And so my sons took me here one summer. They're like, hey, Dad, I want you to come check this place out, man. You're going to like it. I'm like, really? He goes, yeah, you just stumble upon it. I'm like, oh, man, all right, no problem. I'm come hang out with you guys. Beautiful summer day. Nice little hike. And so I decided to go with them. And they kind of surprised me in the exact same fashion that I'm surprising you guys right now. And kind of, I'm saying, where are these guys taking me? This is crazy, you know. But as I kept on walking, I was enjoying the peaceful moment. You know, when you're walking through the woods by yourself, two things can happen. You can be nervous and have some fear, or you can enjoy the trees, nature, the wind, the sound, everything that comes along with it, and take it in. Be grateful, because this is a day that the Creator made. You gotta rejoice and be glad in it, you know what I'm saying? Nothing can hurt you. By the way, nothing can hurt you, or no one can hurt you but yourself. You know, I'm saying a lot of cliche. You know, when I'm walking through these woods, a lot of these things sound cliche to me. And it might sound the same way to you, but cliches are cliches because they have some truth to them. You know? Yeah. Just, we're almost there. It's a nice little walk. Oh, almost went the wrong way. Because usually the path is not covered with snow. And so, being the fact that the path that I'm going through is the path least traveled. Get it? Again, with these cliches, man, I'm killing myself, but I'm enjoying myself. This path is the path least traveled, and there's no footprints on it. So, well, probably there's deer footprint right here, if you can see the deer footprint. But people aren't really traveling this path. The path least traveled. And the path least traveled, some may say, listen, here it is. Some may say that the path least traveled is the most difficult path. But if you think about it, it's probably the easiest path. Because other people are scared to travel it. And you're here all alone. It's just you and your conscience. And believe you me, you have to listen to your conscience, man. You know, you guys are going to be so... Listen. Can you hear that? Oh, man. This is where I come, guys. This is the spot that I come to. Now, I'm not going to be focused on the camera too much because this is really rough terrain. And I got to be very careful here. I don't want to cause myself any, catastrophes. But can you hear that? This is my peaceful place right here, man. This is where all the knowledge and greatness comes to me. It's right here. in this location. The path least traveled. You hear it? I know you gotta hear it now. Hey, I appreciate you guys walking this way with me. Oh, this is the peaceful song. This is my meditation song. Yeah. I like to listen to this song when I come here sometimes. This is my meditation song, man. Yeah. So I actually did the trail with you guys in good timing. I'm walking slow right now because there's a lot of fallen trees in this area. But this is one of those things where you gotta be here. But I'm gonna give you guys the full experience. Only because you took this walk with me. And I really do appreciate it. You spent a day in Jude life. And, you know, it's very, you see, look at that. Now, you see that path? Okay? That's very, 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 is extremely, extremely dangerous if you slip and fall. And I told you guys I was going to promise you something beautiful. And as I started coming upon it, it just began to kind of like give me goosebumps. And the reason why I say that is I gotta come around this tree here. It's falling. Whoa, take it easy. Yeah, I gotta come this way because I don't want to put myself in any crazy danger. But yeah, and well, just the other day it snowed like 12 inches, man. And okay, now I know you guys are ready for this, and I'm gonna have to let you go soon because this is where I sit down and give thanks and I reflect on everything that I've done this year and what I can do to better myself and to help the people around me become better. But before I leave, I want you guys to focus on this. I know you can hear it. I'm gonna get closer and take a look. This here is a fresh spring waterfall, and it's natural water. And you can sit here and you can meditate. The sound of the water is beautiful and it's energizing. And I'm walking the path. I'm gonna give you guys a better shot of this. I'm gonna come under this tree here. You guys deserve a better shot. You took this walk with me. I'm gonna come over here and have you take a look at it. Oh man, this is beautiful. See, this represents life. This represents the flow of energy through your body. This represents everything that you want to let go. When you sit down here and you listen to this water and you internalize it, it washes away all your anger, it washes away any transgressions, it washes away any bad feelings. And this water represents us, if you really think about it. Now usually I would climb down but it's just too dangerous to climb down. But look through these rocks here. Look at that. That's beautiful. You have some calm places. You have some rough waters. And as you sit here and you give thanks and you pray and you release. I don't know if you guys can hear the water, but if you can, let me know in your comments. It goes way back, but you'll have to climb down. You'll have to climb down there to kind of like really see it. And I hope I was able to. Oh yeah, man. Just the sound alone. So this is where I come. And again, I appreciate you guys following me through this journey that I'm on. And I'm hoping that listening to me and just talking with me allowed you to see what needs to be done for the new year coming, 2021. It's all about refreshing yourself and cleansing yourself. And this is the reason why I come here. This is the reason why I spend time alone in places like this. Because I can be honest with myself and in front of the Creator. Alright guys, listen, I appreciate you coming through. If you like this little journey, comment below. If you like what I'm talking about, let me know. Thank you for enjoying and sharing this moment with me. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good one. Hey guys, I know you can hear that. And this is just a special spot to me. The spot is extremely beautiful. If you can hear that water, can you see it? Earth, wind, fire, and water. I always try to be like water. Water is soft, but yet strong. Water can be held and contained. Water flows over, under, and around. My whole purpose is to be like water. Different temperature, water changes. This is the reason why I come here and I listen to the water. I pay attention to the water. As I concentrate on what I want. That's beautiful. I enjoy it. 3/4 of the world is water. We need water. Be water. Water is. Once again, thank you guys for walking with me. Thank you guys for being here, taking the day out, hanging out, the day in true life. And I wish you well. Stay blessed. Talk to you soon.